Eastern part of Karbi Anglong hit by drought, farmers faces problems in farming. Good morning viewers, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Jirbon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. The Balipotar Nambar Adarso area under Sarupatar constituency of Karbi Anglong is facing big shortage of water for cultivating their land. Farmers are worried whether they will be able to do farming this year or they would have to starve. The absence of rainfall this year is hitting hard on the farmers of Karbi Anglong. Farmlands are lying dry without water and the rivers and streams are not visible. The irrigation facilities set up by the KAL are also not able to provide water to the fields as the water reservoirs are all dry. Following this, hundreds of acres of farmlands are lying dry at a time when it should have been covered by green and young paddy plants. On the other hand, locals have also blamed the Sarihajan Division Irrigation Department officials for the neglect in taking care of the water harvesting facilities. Their failure to carry out their duty has resulted in a damage of the canal and water reservoir. Locals are now forced to pump water from the few fishery ponds available to water their fields, which they think will not be enough for the whole cultivation season. They are now looking up towards the local MSC Jagat Singh Ingti to come to their rescue.
Pini ladak bais nong Surupatar Kanglong ladak ke nomor dorso long lo asi ladak pini jasemet nili kining je kangtung bang la pan lo je non la hidi apor mate labang so ahidi phan ko sonse kechutuki dun thek poma la so pose rata tombang ke pena ke sungdolo la se nona son ladak arbe ka det pena jok hidi kreng ang lo la pen irrigation department do poi fi setame alang tum amithang sai chiklem clip na jok nilitum na dak rata tum kisung hidi chili ke bari phan setame akisik sak do kok lo
abang so hidi lake lang roi lang jeng irrigation department lang chilang lim
la sodak nang chilang le la se nilitum non rat pen kining je kang tung bang ke etum Karbi Anglong autonomous council tum asai khi mate a department irrigation department to funds tame puthot na pachilangi funds tame nilitum rong arat ahin pen chining ripadopon.
Meanwhile, the similar situation is being faced by 9 families of Arlongpira Sartokbi village under Nilip constituency. These 9 farmer families are not able to cultivate their land as the water reservoir they depend for in the absence of rain had been damaged. The reservoir was constructed by the Nilip block through the minor irrigation 2018-19 scheme at the cost of rupees 1 lakh. But its embankment broke last year during the floods. The families have appealed the authority to act immediately to provide them the irrigation facility so that they can begin cultivating. Subhas Terang's report from Langchiting along with Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Showing great humanitarian gesture, the kind-hearted drivers of Bokajan stepped forward to provide free ration to some of the families who are the worst affected by the pandemic. Here is a report. The initiative was taken by the driver union of Rangsali Debortarang village under Bokajan police station. On getting information that 15 families in the locality had been put under home quarantine, driver union decided to help the affected families in these troubled times. The team had provided rice, vegetables and other essentials to the needy households. The distribution drive on Monday was led by Rangsali Driver Union Committee President Du Lohar, Secretary Joel Singnar and Treasurer Pradip Kro. They stated that more such activities will be carried in the future as well. Anand Terang from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Now that is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.